Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1996 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. This is a 5 mark question came in GATE 1996. So look at the diagram. The diagram given is 4-bit shift register which shifts 1 bit. It is not I, it is 1 bit, which shifts 1 bit to the right at every clock pulse is initialized to values 1000 for Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the D input is derived from the Q0, Q2 and Q3 through two XOR gates as shown. You are going to do write the 4-bit values after each clock pulse till the pattern reappears on Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Next bit, to what value should the shift register be initialized so that the pattern 1001 occurs after the first clock pulse. After the first clock pulse itself, you must get the pattern as 1001, so that what must be the initial state there must be present in Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, that you have to give the values. Okay, so it was given that one shift right register. Shift right register is nothing but it is shifting towards right. So Q0 will be shifted towards Q1, Q1 will be shifted towards Q2, Q2 contents will be shifted to Q3. Okay, and Q0 is going to be loaded with D. Okay, so this is what we are going with, and D can be written as, the D value can be written as, D is nothing but Q0 exclusive Q0 XOR Q2 XOR Q3. That is nothing but a 3 input XOR gate, you can think. So D is going to be derived with the help of Q0, Q2, Q3 by using this equation, Q0 exclusive of Q2 exclusive of Q3. Okay, and here we are writing the states, that is A bit. First of all, D value. Okay, and later we are going for the clock pulse, D value and later clock pulse. Next we are going for the state as shift register contents, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now initially, okay, the D value we are not going to consider since we are not applying the clock pulse. Whenever clock pulse applied, then only the D will be shifted to Q1, Q0, Q1 will be shifted to Q1, Q1 will be shifted to Q2. That is, right shift operation is going to be taking place only upon the clock edge. So since we are not applying any clock edge, so the initial contents are going to be readily available. So now the initial contents are nothing but 1000. The shift register is initialized to 1000. This is what given initial contents, and now based on this initial contents, what will be the value of D you must calculate. Then the D will be loaded into the Q0 upon the first clock pulse. Okay, so D is nothing but Q0 exclusive, Q2 exclusive, Q3. So you must check about the bits present in Q0, Q2, Q3. If it is odd number of ones, at that time the value of D is 1. If it is even number of ones or all zeros, at that time value of D is 0. This is simply 3 input XOR gate. For 3 input XOR gate, output will be 1 if the input consisting of odd number of ones. Otherwise, output will be 0. Okay, for even number of ones as well as for all zeros, output will be 0. Remember that one. So if you observe Q0, Q2 and Q3 100 combination, so it consisting of odd number of ones, so output will be 1. And now D value is 1, that will be loaded into Q1 after first clock pulse. So that 1 will be loaded, and now Q0 is going to be loaded into Q1, Q1 will be loaded into Q2, Q2 will be loaded into Q3, and D is going to be loaded into Q0. This is what shift right operation. So simply this 1 will come over here, this 0 comes over here. Next, based on this 100 combination again, so that D will be 1, and after second clock pulse this D will be stored into Q0 and Q0 will be stored in this way, the other shift register. Next, now if you see Q0, Q2, Q3 consisting of even number of ones 110, so output will be 0. After third clock pulse the 0 will be loaded and it will become 111. Okay, and next, now also if you check 011 is nothing but it consisting of even number of ones, so the D value is 0. After fourth clock pulse the D is going to be loaded into Q0 and this is going to be right shift operation taking place. Now if you check 0 1 1, again it is going to be 0 only after fifth clock pulse. After fifth clock pulse, again the 0 is going to be going over here, and 0 0 1 you will get. Now if you check d value, d value is nothing but exclusive of q0 q2 q3. Now q0 q2 q3 is 0 0 1, that is odd number of ones, so d will be 1. After sixth clock pulse, this 1 will come over here, and this 0 0 0, that implies nothing but sequence is repeating. Sequence repeats from this one. Okay, so this shift register is going through the states like this. These are the sequence of states it is going through. Now this is b bit. Now we are going to consider. So for b bit, if after clock pulse, if the state is given as 1001, 1001 is going to be your next your state after clock pulse. Okay, so let us assume after clock pulse what will be the actual contents. Okay, so after first clock pulse, at that time this q0 q1 q2 q3 is going to be loaded with. Okay, after first clock pulse these are going to be loaded with d, and it is q0, this is q1, and it is q2, and this value is going to be, if it is 0 1 1 1, at that time what must be the values of q0 q1 q2 q3. So from this one you can finalize that one. q0 q1 q2 are nothing but 0 0 1. So from this one you can finalize q0 must be 0, and q1 must be 0, and q2 must be 1. q2 must be 1. So that if they are like this, at that time they will be shifted towards right, so that you will get 0 1 1 over here, this, and you will get, if q0 is equal to 0, q1 is equal to 0, q2 is equal to 1, after first clock pulse you will get this one. And what about the d value? D value is equal to 1. D value is equal to 1, but the d can be derived from this one, q0 exclusive q2 exclusive q3. Okay, d value is 1, that we are writing d is equal to 1, and d can be derived from q0 q2 q3. So already what we know is nothing but d is equal to 1, which is nothing but q0 is 0, exclusive q2 is 1, exclusive q3. So what will be the value of q3 from this one? We know d is nothing but 1, that is 3 input XOR gate. For 3 input XOR gate, output will be 1 if there is odd number of ones. Odd number of ones is nothing but you must get only a single one. If you take q3 as 1, you will get even number of ones. By that time d will be 0. So from this one you can finalize q3 is equal to 0. So q0 is equal to 0, q1 is equal to 0, q2 is equal to 1, q3 is equal to 0. If you take this one as 0 0 1 0, this is the initial combination. If you are going with this combination, on the first clock pulse you are going to be getting it as 1001. So you can check over here. Okay, so if your present state is going to be 0 0 1 0, then what will be the next state? Okay, so after clock pulse, what is the d value? D value is 0 1 0, so that it will be 1 itself. So after first clock pulse you are going to be getting this 1 over here, and the shift is going to be taking place like this. So 1001 will be your state after application of 1 clock pulse if the initial contents of shift register is 0010. So the answer for this one is nothing but 0010. Thank you.